guys, here is the intro. The intro is now you have this platform here that the flagpole is built on, and this is where we are planning on erecting it. But what we plan to do now, we don't decide to remove all of the platform because we need some part of it for another purpose to be used, as where you can come and the children can come and take photographs at graduation time or whatever time. So let me show you what I'm gonna take place now. Here on the platform, we Alright, this is confirmed. See, we're there back at the job this morning. It's now day 3. So we put up the farm yesterday upon the lower part and we get it cast. So we're about to unstrip the farm them this morning now and move them where we can get it on the higher part for put in the back piece. So you have the concrete structure here. This rubber that you're looking at here, this piece of rubber here, it's the pan liner. Where we do, we cast the base underneath it. After we seal it up, then we put in the pan liner and we clip it on to the steels, and then now we just put the farm and sandwich it and pour the concrete. So the purpose of this should in case the concrete on the inside crack. Okay, you don't know how concrete stay already. Should in case it crack, water can leak out from outside of the pan inside. So the pan liner is there to retain the water inside of it. So this is how it look like. So we're gonna pull off these farms and we'll raise them on the top section. So just stay tuned and watch the video. As I always say, please remember to like, comment, share, and the number to contact us is 333-3259, and our main purpose is to do box and cast. Alright, Team Sis confirmed. So here we have it. So we put up the farm and the box and cast. So you do that yesterday. So today we are here now. We're just going to remove the farm. So we just start to remove the first one. So the concrete looking pretty so far. Yeah, so we're just going to remove the farms and from off the fountain now. So you can see the finish look of the poured concrete that we did inside it. So basically, see, we have the lower section that we do the from the other day, from about 3 days ago, and we finished putting up that yesterday and just get it cast same time. So we're just going to remove the farms now and show you what is happening. So what's taking place there. So we just pull out the first piece of farm from our fight, and as I'm going to show you, see where the concrete look like there. So we're just going to start to do some removal work now. Stay tuned and watch to the end of the video. And alright, so see, we did have a bulge on the wall right there. So one of the farm them already used on it. It warp, so it have a bulge. So what we do now, we just chop off back the bulge off it, so we just a flashing back that. But normally when time we finish box and cast, we don't normally flash wall. But the only time we do that is if we have a bulge on the wall and we have to chop off the bulge off it and straighten out back the wall. So we just a flash out that area only and then we just rad it off and straighten it over. So that's what we're doing right now. Alright, so we put on the throw lamp on the column. This is the aqua green. So we get the throw lamp, and then up on the back now we put on the grey throw lamp. The grey match back with the grey on the admin building, and see I have the aqua on the column there. So all of the columns them is aqua, and the school color is aqua. You can see the girls are more on them aqua skirt. Alright, so this is the back part of the monument, which is the water fountain. See, we're going from the side. So we have all of the outside dressed up now, ready to start at the tile tomorrow. And see, we render off the inside of the fountain. So it's just the lower part of the back wall now leave to render. The spillway blade put in already. So we're just going to tile this wall and tile the outside of this come tomorrow, and put on the caps them on top up there, and the two crowns them on top. So pretty color, aqua green. So this is the fountain. This is what it looks like.
Everybody claims they want to make big boy money. If you want to make all that big boy money, you got to come do some big boy shit. What it's supposed to look like and what it actually looks like. About to go in here with a torch and start cutting all this shit apart.
Alright, so we have the fountain partially completed. So what we did now, we just prime up the inside. We're going to put the crest up top, and to put the school matter at that side. Now here we have the aqua, the columns in the aqua, and the veneer stone. Here on the back we have the throw line, where we use the grey throw line. So this is what